This is Noakhali University of Science and Technology. This is a very nice campus, and here is the Bhasha Shahid Abdul Salam Hall, and a very nice campus. You see the campus.
সেকেন্ড ডিভিশন আমার রাখবেন এটা স্যার
What you are feeling?
I am feeling very good, and the university is really nice. The scenery is really charming. Like you can show the views, it is so beautiful.
This Kashful.
Kashful, and there are some cows. They are eating grass, and truly is an amazing place.
Okay. Okay. You are welcome to see this beautiful campus. Thank you.